This is an introduction to your SimplyGo portable oxygen concentrator. SimplyGo is a lightweight and attractive concentrator with continuous flow capability. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with your SimplyGo and introduce you to some of its most important features. First, let's take a quick look at what's included with your SimplyGo. SimplyGo comes with a convenient carrying case with shoulder strap to make it easy to carry. The rechargeable battery is designed to give you up to 3.5 hours of use while you're on the go. The battery was designed to fit easily. Do not force into place. You'll also have an AC power cord for use with standard outlets and the DC power cord for charging in places like your car. One of the first things you'll want to do is plug in the SimplyGo to get it charged. The battery may come partially charged, but it can take up to 4 hours for a complete charge. Now attach the shoulder strap to either side of the SimplyGo. Let's take a look at some of the key features and parts of SimplyGo. As we start at the top of the device, we find the control panel, where you will find important displays about the device's operation. The carrying handle provides a place for a firm grip on the device. Moving across the back of the device, you'll find the air intake, exhaust, and the data port, which will be used by your equipment provider. Now let's get started with powering up the device. First, let's insert the battery. To insert the battery, insert your fingers into the opening in the battery handle. Grip the handle between your fingers and thumb and insert the battery as shown. The battery compartment is shaped so that there is only one way the battery can be inserted. This will align the battery correctly. Firmly push the battery handle until it snaps into place in the enclosure top. The battery will begin charging whenever you connect the device to an AC outlet, even if you're using it. Next, connect a nasal cannula to the patient cannula connector on top of the device as shown. Now, press the power button on the control panel. After the first press, the display screen and the 5-button backlights turn on, and you will see a screen similar to the one shown. Next, press the power button a second time to place the device in operating mode. When you turn on the SimplyGo device, it will sense if you are breathing from it. If you are not yet breathing through the cannula, SimplyGo will begin to pulse automatically, about once every 5 seconds. It may take up to 20 minutes for the SimplyGo output to stabilize within its oxygen purity specifications. However, you may begin breathing from the SimplyGo at any time. When it is turned on, the device will automatically start at the flow rate setting used when the device was last turned off. As a precaution, each time you start the device, verify the flow setting. To set the device's flow setting, press either the plus or minus button. SimplyGo has a carrying case bag, accessory bag, and a mobile cart for use while you're on the go. To place the SimplyGo into its carrying bag, position the bag and the SimplyGo so that the front of the device touches the surface of the bag that has a zippered accessory pouch. This will ensure that the inlet air vent on the rear of the device, the outlet air vent on the front bottom of the device, and the power input connector on the side of the device line up with the openings in the bag. If the SimplyGo is not placed in the bag properly, the air vents will be blocked and the device will overheat during operation and shut off. Insert the device into the top of the bag and pull the snugly fitting bag up around the device. Check to ensure that the air vents and power input connector align with their openings in the case. Finally, wrap the handle cover around the carrying handle of the SimplyGo and secure it in place by pressing the two Velcro together. The SimplyGo mobile cart provides you another way to carry the SimplyGo in its carrying case. The cart will accommodate both the SimplyGo in its carrying case and the accessory bag. Please follow the instructions included with the cart for safely securing your device and accessories. Cleaning your device regularly is very important. The exterior of the device and rechargeable battery should be cleaned as needed. Clean the device exterior using a damp cloth with a mild household cleaner and wipe it dry. For the humidifier or accessories, follow the instructions by the manufacturer and your equipment provider. We hope this video was helpful to get you comfortable using your SimplyGo portable oxygen concentrator. Please always consult the user manual for detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips, or contact your equipment provider for help.